Well, friends, we've got a leadership contest to look forward to over the next few weeks or indeed months in Plaid Cymru, and it's a contest which I warmly, wholeheartedly welcome as a great opportunity, a fantastic opportunity for us to come together as members from the centre to the sea, from the north, the south, the east, and indeed the west, to give our views on the sort of party we want to be, where we're going, and I guess fundamentally, of course, how we're going to get there. And these are decisions and conversations that we need to have, and it's essential, I believe, that we listen to the views of all members, and regardless of who they support. You know, we've got the other parties with their campaigns, and they'll be conducted however they want them to be conducted. I think we implied have to show who we are and the values that we have, you know, and that we are a party which respects individuals regardless of who they support in this instance. And at the end of the day, of course, our eyes and should remain on the prize. And the prize, of course, for us is a simple one, really. It's advancing the national cause. It's moving Wales forward, advancing our nationhood as a proud people. I wish the three candidates very well, of course, and you know, regardless of who wins, and clearly I hope that it's going to be Green. But if it is Adam, who I've known for several years, and he is an honourable man, an intelligent man, and he has great characteristics, along with Leanne Wood, who is an extremely passionate and honourable woman who I met during the Llanelli campaign, and indeed prior to that as well. So, you know, it's a case of respecting each other, the cheerleaders for whichever candidate. You know, I think it's a case of talking our candidate up. I will be talking Green up over the next couple of weeks or months or whatever's ahead of us, you know, and I have no interest, like the rest of us, in talking anybody down. We are members of the same party, so I look forward enormously to the next umpteen weeks and hustings and meetings taking place from Ynysmôn down to Glamorgan and from Pembroke up to Flintshire. So it's an exciting time, and whoever wins, of course, it's essential that we unite behind them and keep our eyes, as I say, on that prize, which is advancement of the Welsh nation and moving forward together. Diolch yn fawr.